shall have the right as that's the
So there should
freedom
not be a
charter.
process.
Process for what? People have been waiting for houses. Some of them have been waiting for RDP houses for 15, 20 years. That is how much time they've given this government. And there is unoccupied land next to them. If you are a caring government, if you are a government that loves the people, when they begin to occupy that land, you'll send blankets, you'll send help for them to establish their stands, or you'll provide means and resources to relocate them to elsewhere, as at least the legal practice in terms of the constitution provide. Once they occupy that land for more than 24 or 48 hours, no one is allowed to remove them. So we are in support of all the landless people who are occupying unoccupied land, and we're saying to them they must be strong. They must engage in that struggle until they win, knowing that from, every legislature that we occupy up to the parliament in Cape Town, the EFF will continue to tell their stories, will continue to support them, will continue to fight for a radical transformation of our laws so that land can be expropriated without compensation for equal redistribution.
Now, moving right along, I know the burning issue